Instead of waiting for 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 watch hours to monetize your videos, here is a platform where you can monetize your videos without any restriction or requirements. So without wasting much time, let's dive into it. When you tap on the link in the description, it will take you to any of your favorite browser, any of your default browser. So me, I'm using my browser right now. I'm already in it. It will take you to this interface. So you will just put in your email, your date of birth, the day and the year. That is the name, that is the thing that you need to put here. After that, they will send you an OTP code. You will also do your verification. I will not be doing that for now. I've already done that, so I will not be doing that right now. What you need to do is put in your email. They will send you a verification code to your email. Use it and verify the account. And once you are done, just sign into the account. So I'm going to be signing into my own account. Let's wait for a moment, let it load. You can see I'm in my own account. This is my dashboard. Wait, let me go back to the main interface. Before that, you can also edit the name on your channel. That is your nickname or anything or any name that you want to give your channel. So let's go back and let me show you things that you need to know. You can also go live on this particular platform. You can also upload video and earn on it. You can earn by monetizing your videos without you needing up to 1k subscribers or even watch hours. So I will show you how you can be able to upload videos here, and if you upload videos that are doing well, you are liable to earn very well on this platform. So if you want to upload a video, tap on this green plus button icon up here. Tap on this green plus button icon up here. So wait for a moment, let it load. So all you need to do is just tap on this, and here you can be able to upload your video on this particular platform. Tap on it and then select any video of your choice. Let me see if I'm to choose this one. Select any video of your choice. So you can see it's about to be uploaded. So while this is reading here, you can then edit your video title and your description. You can put any title of your choice. Let's just do this because of this video. Let's just post it like that. So let's just put anything random, if a random title and description. After that, you also have to select your video category. Without you selecting your video category, you cannot be able to post this. So I'll be selecting entertainment because of this video. So after that, since it's still uploading, almost done, 100% almost done. So all you need to do is tap on upload, and then just check these two things here. You can see here, get it checked, and then you are good to go. Tap on it and then tap on submit. You can see it's submitting, and once it is submitted, you can be able to watch the video. You can see it has your upload, share and license your video upload complete. You can see that it has shown video upload complete. Tap on view here, as you can see here. So with this, you can be able to view your videos. That particular video that you just uploaded, you can be able to view it and be sure that this video has been uploaded to this platform. You can see this video has been uploaded. You can be able to watch it through here, and you can also watch shorts on this platform. You can watch videos on this platform. So with that being said, let's go to how you can be able to withdraw from this platform. Tap on this here, tap on this icon here, tap on dashboard, wait for it to load. Once you tap on dashboard, you can see that this is a new account. You can see all the time view is 63. I've just uploaded like 3 videos on this platform. I'm getting to 3 views and 1 followers. So with this, you can be able to see how you can earn on this platform. If you have gotten like some views like 500 to 1k views, you can be able to see your earnings here. You can be able to see your earnings here. And for you to be able to withdraw your earnings, just tap on this your balance. So since this particular account is still a new account, I cannot be able to make any withdrawal here. There's no money in it. Just tap on this your balance down here, and you can able to put your details and cash out your money. So if you found any value from this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.